Seeing weird lines on your Android screen? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, restart your phone. Press and hold the power button and volume down button together, then tap Restart. This simple step often clears up temporary display glitches. If the lines are still there, open the Settings app and scroll down to Software Update. Tap Download and Install to check for the latest update. Sometimes a system bug causes the issue, and updating your phone can fix it. If that doesn't help, check if the problem started after your phone was dropped or hit. Physical damage can cause permanent screen issues. In that case, you'll likely need to replace the display. Contact your nearest Samsung, Google, or authorized repair center to get it inspected. And that's it. Try restarting, updating, or getting the screen checked to remove those display lines. If this helped, tap like, drop a comment if you fixed it, and subscribe for more Android fixes.